Hello everyone, my name's Archna Patel and I'm an acupuncturist and the director of an award-winning clinic based near Harley Street in London. As the world continues to face new and difficult challenges arising from this unprecedented coronavirus pandemic, I hope you are all well and doing everything you can to stay safe. A lot of our patients who unfortunately we can't treat at the moment have asked if there is anything they can do to help boost their immune system and to help in the recovery if they have developed mild symptoms. So I thought it would be a really good idea for me to share with all of you some of my favourite acupuncture points that can help to do this and that you can help to stimulate in the comfort and the safety of your own home. However, before we start, I do want to stress that these points are by no means meant to replace any medical advice given to you by your doctor. If you do start to develop symptoms, please do call the NHS and follow their guidance. So before we show you exactly where these points are, I just wanted to give you a little advice as to how to do this routine correctly. So first of all, get yourself into a comfortable position from which you can stimulate each of the points. Apply firm pressure, and whilst applying the pressure, take a nice deep breath in to the abdomen. Apply pressure on each point for 1 minute, and the routine shouldn't actually take you more than 10 minutes. So the best thing to do is do the routine twice a day, once in the morning and once before bed. Now, if at any time during the course of the next few days or weeks you begin to feel tired or weak, or you begin to develop mild symptoms, or actually if you're currently experiencing mild symptoms, do this routine more than 3 times a day. Now let's look at where these points are. There's no particular order in which to stimulate these points, but you may find it easier to remember if you start at the topmost point and work yourself down to the lowest one on the body. So our first point is kidney 27, the elegant mansion. This point is located roughly 1 inch from the midline on the lower border of the collarbone. Kidney 27 is a wonderful immune boosting point, especially for people that are extra prone to catching upper respiratory flu-like symptoms. It helps to ease coughs, calms asthma, and resolves phlegm. Ren 17, chest center. This point is located on the midline of the sternum, just slightly above the level of the nipples. It stimulates the immune system and is indicated where there is shortness of breath and difficulty or laboured breathing. It is also good to apply pressure where there is cough, asthma, and a feeling of fullness or oppression in the chest. This point also helps to decrease any anxiety or worry. Large intestine 11, pool at the crook. This point can be found at the outside edge of the elbow crease. It's best to palpate around the area to find the most tender spot. Large intestine 11 is a point that is used mostly as a fever-reducing point, but it is also very effective in reducing sore throat. It can strengthen a weak immune system and helps prevent colds, flus, and other immune-compromising conditions. Sanjiao 5, outer pass. This point is located on the back of the forearm, 2 finger breadths from the crease of the wrist between the 2 bones, the ulnar and the radius. Sanjiao 5 is a great point to help boost the immune system and is especially beneficial for febrile diseases. Lung 7, broken sequence. To locate this point, simply make a thumbs up sign. When you do that, you'll see a depression at the base of your thumb, usually referred to as the anatomical snuff box. From that depression, lung 7 is located approximately 2 widths up your arm. This point is one of the most powerful points on the lung meridian. It is used for stopping a persistent cough and relieving a sore throat. This point is also often used to treat conditions related to the head and the neck, such as headaches, migraine, and stiff neck. Large intestine 4, joining valley. This point is located between the thumb and the first finger. It can be found when you squeeze the thumb against the index finger and find the highest point of the bulge of that muscle. Large intestine 4 is a great anti-inflammatory point and is also used to help blocked sinuses. It is a powerful point for any head pain or tension issues, and it's great to strengthen the immune system. And now for the last point, stomach 36, leg 3 miles. Stomach 36 is found about 4 finger widths below the kneecap, just outside the prominent crest of the tibia bone. This is one of my favourite points as I use it so often in many conditions. It is one of the most effective acupuncture points for strengthening qi, our vital energy. It helps recovery from fatigue, boosts endurance, and is an amazing point in improving the immune system. I hope you find this routine helpful. I'll soon be posting a video sharing the best acupuncture points for anxiety, so please do look out for that. But until then, if you have any questions or if you need to contact us, please email us on the email given below. We're here to help you in any way we can. For now, goodbye, and please listen to all government advice. Stay well, keep safe, and please care for everyone else enough to keep them safe too. Take care.